morning, all. Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update for this Thursday, the 30th of September, last trading day of what I'd call a pretty terrible trading month, 2021. We're about 8:35 a.m. Central Time. So we're getting a little bit of a rally. NASDAQ up for the first time in, 4 or 5 days? So that's pretty amazing. Why are we getting the rally? Because the government's not going to shut down. Now, I can't tell you 100% that's the case, but I can tell you that the Senate's going to vote on it now. They'll pass it. It'll go to the House. I can't imagine it not passing there. And the president will sign it so that by 12:01 a.m. Friday morning, the government stays open. However, this is temporary because it's only until mid-December. The debt ceiling has not been targeted. The infrastructure bill, the progressives are tying it to getting the reconstruction bill done. It's a total mess, and it's all on the Democrats at this point. I guarantee you the Republicans are sitting back. You know, I was thinking about it when I was having early morning breakfast. Remember, I'm up 3:34 in the morning. And I was going, gee, wasn't President Trump going to have a TV station on by now? I don't see that. Wasn't there going to be some type of new social media so we could see more of him? I'm not seeing that either. If anything, he's quieter than we've ever seen. Maybe he just can't get the press at this point. I don't know. But he's got to be sitting there watching what's going on in Washington and chuckling away. I can't imagine that. When you look at the metals, while you're up in the silver and the gold, remember, silver was down $1 yesterday an ounce. Look at copper fall apart. Folks, copper is the canary in the mine. And when it's down this much, there is something wrong. Evergrande, we saw today, made some moves, and one of the moves was, well, yesterday they sold a bank stake for $1.5 billion US dollars. Money immediately went to pay off the bank that they had the stake in. It's amazing, that one. And today they did something I wasn't ready for. They missed another series of payments, $47.5 million in interest, and yet they made a 10% payment to onshore, for them, investors. I just don't get what's going on there, and I don't think the market does either. The dollar has been so strong, you can just get a reaction break from it for no reason. Energies, so overbought. Yesterday I tried to make it clear. The press lured you in, and they do this all the time. Remember, when you're watching CNBC, Fox, Bloomberg, it's entertainment as much as it is good information. And when crude's pushing here at $80 a barrel in Brent, it's easy to talk 90, it's going there. But what happens is the trade gets crowded. And crowded trades have a way of correcting. They sucker one group in, money comes out from another group. That's what I think went on. The Senate, as I said, is going to vote this morning. Now we got the final GDP numbers. They're not bad. 6.7% versus 6.6 expected. The chain-weighted number, right what they thought. The PCE came in where thought. So there's no surprises here, and the final sales number was strong. Here's the bad news, and it is bad news. Okay, jobless claims. We've gone far enough with people not receiving that $300 claim. We should have seen where these people went back to work. No. Instead, they're applying for unemployment. I don't get that one at all. Yet the continuing claims are falling. These are really a confusing set of numbers. The Chicago PMI probably coming out in about 2 minutes from now, 3 minutes from now. Energy analysts looking for the EIA gas storage to show an injection in the rate. And I'll leave all the rest of it because we covered so much of that the other day. So I'm watching this and trying to figure out what next. And that's always the hardest thing to do as a trader. But it's not hard to get some of our information. Our futures trading kit, you're going to get charting software. Both two types of versions. Some of you want a standalone version that you download. We have that. Others of you want to work with an HTML version. We have that. Then you're going to get all the tools that you need, and it's not just for the beginners, but a lot there for you. First of all, the 14 typical chart patterns that you'll see on TV and people talking about, and what does it all mean. Pivot Point, my 3-part video series, free to you. You also get the Arun indicator, time and price relationship, another video series. Cause and effect. You have no idea how important that is because you're going to see the Fed do a certain thing. What does that do to create the effect? You're going to be dealing with M1, M2, all kinds of different monetary policies, the speed of money moving through the economy. If you think it's not important, so wrong. It's free. Just go to our website along with our other free offers. On the bottom right-hand side, click on it and take advantage. I'm Ira Epstein. I'm going to try to do another special video report, maybe as early as today. You have a great day.